Hello everyone, welcome to Quest for Learning. Here is third part of the chapter On the Face of It by Susan Hill. He was afraid, you see, of everything in this world. A bus might run him over, or a man might breathe deadly germs onto him, or a donkey might kick him to death, or lightning might strike him down, or he might love a girl and the girl would leave him, and he might slip on a banana skin and fall, and people who saw him would laugh their heads off. So he went into this room and locked the door and got into his bed and stayed there. Daddy, forever. Mr. Lamb, for a while. Daddy, then what? Mr. Lamb, a picture fell off the wall on to his head and killed him. Lamb tells him the story of a man who locks himself in his room as he is afraid of everything and remained locked in the room. Daddy surprisingly asks him if he locked himself forever. He also asks what happened to him next. Mr. Lamb replies that a picture fell on his head and he died. लैम एक आदमी की कहानी डैरी को सुनाता है उसे मोटिवेट करने के लिए, जिस आदमी ने अपने आप को चार दीवारी में कैद करके रखा था क्योंकि उसे दुनिया से डर लगता था। एक दिन क्या हुआ, दीवार से पिक्चर गिरी और वह मर गया। इसलिए लैम बताता है डैरी को कि एटीट्यूड लाइफ के प्रति जो है वो पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए, तभी हम अपनी लाइफ को हैप्पीली जी सकते हैं। Daddy laughs a lot. Mr. Lamb, you see, Daddy, but you still say peculiar things, Mr. Lamb, peculiar to some, Daddy. What do you do all day, Mr. Lamb? Sit in the sun, read books, and you thought it was an empty house, but inside it's full. Books and other things full, Daddy. But there aren't any curtains at the windows. Daddy laughs a lot to listen the story and says that Lamb narrates strange talks. Lamb says that his talks are strange to some people. Daddy asks Lamb what he does all day. Lamb says that he enjoys reading books and basking in the sun. His house is full of all types of books. Daddy looks at the house and says that there are not any curtains on the windows. कहानी सुनकर डैरी हंसता है। लैम की बातें उसे अजीब सी लगती हैं। वह लैम से पूछता है कि सारा दिन क्या करता है। लैम उसे बताता है कि उसे किताबें पढ़ने का शौक है और उसका घर किताबों से भरा है। डैरी कहता है खिड़कियों में पर्दे नहीं लगे हैं। Mr. Lamb, I am not fond of curtains, shutting things out, shutting things in. I like the light and the darkness and the windows open to hear the wind. Daddy, yes, I like that when it is raining. I like to hear it on the roof. Mr. Lamb, so you are not lost, are you? Not altogether. You do hear things, you listen. Daddy, they talk about me downstairs when I am not there. What will he ever do? What is going to happen to him when we have gone? However, will he get on in this world, looking like that, with that on his face? That is what they say. Lamb replies that he doesn't like curtains. He likes light and the darkness and the windows open to hear the wind. Daddy adds that he also likes all of them and also like the sound of the rain falling on the roof of his house. Lamb asks Daddy, is he listening him? Daddy tells Lamb that his family worry about him, that what would he do in the future with a burned face. Lamb उत्तर देता है कि उसे पर्दे पसंद नहीं हैं, उसे रोशनी और डार्कनेस दोनों ही पसंद अच्छे लगते हैं। डैडी बताता है कि उसका परिवार परेशान है कि वह भविष्य में क्या करेगा क्योंकि उसका फेस आधा जला हुआ है। Mr. Lamb, Lord boy, you have got 2 arms, 2 legs and eyes and ears. You have got a tongue and a brain. You will get on the way you want, like all the rest, and if you chose and set your mind to it, you could get on better than all the rest. Daddy, how? Mr. Lamb, same way as I do. Daddy, Do you have any friends, Mr. Lamb? Hundreds, Daddy. But you live by yourself in that house. It's a big house too, Mr. Lamb. Friends everywhere. People come in. Everybody knows me. The gate's always open. They come and sit here and in front of the fire in winter. Kids come for the apples and the pears, and for toffees, I make toffee with honey. Anybody comes, so have you. Daddy, but I'm not a friend, Mr. Lamb. Certainly you are. So far as I'm concerned, what have you done to make me think you are not? Daddy, you don't know me. You don't know where I come from or even what my name is. Mr. Lamb encourages Daddy. He tells him that he has his brain, limbs, he has got two arms, two legs, eyes, ears. He has also got a tongue. He should make use of them. He could achieve whatever he liked. He could even achieve better than all the rest. Mr. Lamb tells Derry that he has hundreds of friends. The gate is always open. People come in. Kids come for the apples, pears, and for toffees. He makes toffee with honey. Daddy says that he is not his friend. Lamb says that Daddy has not done anything wrong that should cease their friendship. Daddy says that they don't know each other well to become friends. लैम डैरी को प्रोत्साहित करता है। वो उसे कहता है कि उसके पास दिमाग है और अंग हैं, उसकी दो बाहें हैं, दो टांगें हैं, आंखें हैं, कान है, उसकी एक जुबान है। उसे इन सब का उपयोग करना चाहिए। वह शेष सभी से अधिक प्राप्त कर सकता है अगर वह चाहे। हिम्मत नहीं हारनी चाहिए। लैम कहता है उसके पास बहुत से दोस्त हैं। उसके घर के दरवाजे सभी के लिए हमेशा खुले हैं। लोग यहाँ आते हैं। बच्चे भी सेब टॉफी के बहाने आते हैं। वह बच्चों के लिए टॉफियाँ हनी से तैयार करता है। डैरी कहता है कि वह उनका दोस्त नहीं है, ना हो सकता है, क्योंकि दोनों की जान पहचान भी नहीं है। लैम कहता है कि दोस्ती के लिए जान पहचान का होना जरूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि उसने कुछ भी गलत नहीं किया है और वो उसका दोस्त ही है। Mr. Lamb, why should that signify? Do I have to write all your particulars down and put them in a filling box before you can be a friend? Daddy, I suppose not, no. Mr. Lamb, you could tell me your name if you chose and not if you didn't. Daddy, only it's Derek. But I hate that, Daddy. If I am your friend, you don't have to be mine. I choose that. Mr. Lamb, certainly, Daddy, I might never come here again. You might never see me again, and then I couldn't still be a friend. Mr. Lamb, why not? Daddy, how could I? You pass people in the street, and you might even speak to them, but you never see them again. It doesn't mean they are friends. Mr. Lamb says that he doesn't consider it important to know the particulars of Daddy before becoming friends with him. Mr. Lamb says that if Daddy wishes, he can tell his name. Daddy replies that his name is Derek, but he wants to be called Daddy instead. He says that after leaving this place, he would not remain friends anymore. Lamb wants to know the reason. Daddy replies that one crosses many people while walking down the street. This doesn't mean that they have become friends. लैम कहता है कि दोस्ती के लिए उसे डैरी के पर्टिकुलर जानने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। यदि डैरी चाहे तो वह अपना नाम बता सकता है। डैरी अपना नाम बताता है, डेरेक। वह कहता है कि गली में मिलने वाले सभी लोग दोस्त नहीं बन सकते हैं। कुछ ही दोस्त होते हैं जिनसे जान पहचान होती है। मिस्टर लैम डजंट मीन दे आर एनिमीज आइदर, डज इट? डैरी, नो, दे आर जस्ट नथिंग पीपल. That's all, Mr. Lamb. People are never just nothing. Never. Daddy, there are some people I hate, Mr. Lamb. That would do you more harm than any bottle of acid. Acid only burns your face, Derek. Only. Mr. Lamb, like a worm, only blew up my leg. There is worse things can happen. You can burn yourself away inside. Daddy, after I had come home, one person said, He would have been better off stopping in there in the hospital. He would be better off with others like himself. She thinks blind people only ought to be with other blind people, and idiot boys with idiot boys, Mr. Lamb, and people with no legs altogether. Daddy, that's right, Mr. Lamb. What kind of world would that be, Daddy? At least there would be nobody to stare at you because you were not like them. Mr. Lamb says that it doesn't mean that strangers are enemies, if not friends. Daddy says that they are nothing, just people. Lamb says that it couldn't be that people are nothing. Daddy tells that he hates some people, but Lamb tells him that hatred is more harmful than acid. The acid burned his face, but hate could burn him from inside. Mr. Lamb tells Daddy that worse things could happen to him. Bomb explosion only blew up his leg. Daddy tells Lamb that he has heard some women saying that people with similar deformities should live together. The blind should live with blind and idiot with idiot. Lamb adds, this means that people without legs should remain together, and the world would become imbalanced that way. Daddy says that at least no one would dare be to stare at because all of them were similar. लैम कहता है कि इसका मतलब यह नहीं है कि अजनबी दुश्मन है। वह डैरी को कहता है कि लोग कभी कुछ नहीं हो सकते हैं। डैरी कहता है कि वह कुछ लोगों से नफरत करता है। लैम बताता है कि नफरत एसिड से भी ज़्यादा हानिकारक है। डैरी उन औरतों की बात बताता है जो यह कहती हैं कि एक समान अयोग्यता वाले व्यक्तियों को एक साथ ही रहना चाहिए, जैसे अंधे को अंधे के साथ रहना चाहिए, लंगड़े को लंगड़े के साथ, जिनमें फिजिकल डिफॉर्मिटीज हैं वो सभी एक दूसरे के साथ ही रहें। Mr. Lamb, so you think you're just the same as all the other people with burned faces just by what you look like? Oh, everything is different. Everything is the same, but everything is different itself. Daddy, how do we make all that out? Mr. Lamb, watching, listening, thinking. Daddy, I would like a place like this, a garden. I would like a house with no curtains. Mr. Lamb, the gate is always open. Daddy, but this is not mine. Mr. Lamb, everything is yours if you want it. What is mine is anybody's. Daddy, so I could come here again. Even if you were out, I could come here. Mr. Lamb, certainly. You might find others here. Of course. Daddy, oh, Mr. Lamb, well, that needs not stop you. You need not mind. Daddy, it would stop them. They would mind me. When they saw me here, they look at my face and run. Mr. Lamb asked Daddy that does he mean that he is like all other people with burned faces just because they have similar appearance? He adds that everything was different. Although all things are the same, yet they are different. Daddy asks Lamb, how does he know so much? Lamb replies that he does so by watching, listening and thinking differently. Daddy says that he likes Mr. Lamb's house and garden. He replies that Daddy is always welcome in his house. Mr. Lamb says that all his possessions are for everyone. Daddy asks if he could visit the place again, and Mr. Lamb replies to that he could. He would find company too. He adds that Daddy need not mind other people. Daddy says that people would look at his face, get scared and run away. Lamb Daddy से कहता है कि ऐसा नहीं है कि सभी बर्न्ड फेसेस वाले एक जैसे हैं, चाहे चेहरे एक जैसे हों, परंतु सोच अलग अलग है। डैडी लैम की बातों से प्रभावित होकर कहता है कि उसे लैम का घर और गार्डन बहुत पसंद है। लैम कहता है कि उसका घर में हमेशा सभी का स्वागत है, जब वह चाहे आ सकता है, गेट का दरवाज़ा खुला है। डैरी को लोगों से डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। डैरी कहता है कि वह लोगों से नहीं डरता, बल्कि लोग उसके चेहरे को देख के डर जाते हैं और भाग जाते हैं। Third part ends here. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.